all right. What is up? We are at the very beginning of Pitsidia. Today it is the 24th of February. We have a nice, sunny, warm day, and I will be taking you for a walk in Pitsidia. I just want to quickly tell you, if you are choosing to stay in Pitsidia, you have the option to go to Matala Beach, Komos Beach, Kalamaki, Afratias, Ajufarago Beach. So there is a lot in this part of Crete Island to explore. And if you were wondering, is it okay to book my entire vacation in Pitsidia? Am I going to have enough fun? Is there enough things to explore and enough things to enjoy? I could say depending on your taste, but if you would ask me personally, I could easily stay here, book a vacation, and explore the area, the gorge, the beaches, the archaeological site of Fistos. I think I will be more than happy to spend one vacation in this area. And now we are kind of in a square area where I can see few like taverns and also some other services, such as you noticed, like the mini market. And of course we have Cafe Neo as well, and we have a post agency as well if you want to send something from here to your loved ones. Yeah, it's a very nice, cute place. Doesn't feel so touristic. Still, it holds its own authentic vibe to it. And now we are gonna keep walking to explore even more Pitsidia. To be honest, after walking for a little while, I'm beginning to feel hot. Yeah, that's the kind of weather we have. It's about 24 degrees. Even I noticed in my car when I was parked, it was showing 28. Imagine. It's a good day for a beach day. Now we are at the very entrance of Pitsidia from Matala side. At the very beginning we have a pharmacy, and then we are gonna walk towards the main street where some of the taverns and mini market and other services are. In front of us we have the Zuridakis bakery. At the moment it is not open, and then after that we have a small mini market. But the mini market is open. It almost has everything. It has fruits, vegetables, eggs, some accessories, drinks, everything. Yeah. Oh, that car needs a service. Holy moly. How they can let that car be on the street? If you are noticing, everything is like ready to go. Everything is being kept clean, and everything is nice and organized. The moment they begin to see some visitors and tourists, they will just open. And at this particular area where I'm walking is kind of like the main street connecting Pitsidia Miris to Matala, and we have quite some taverns and services here, including a beauty parlor as well. So not all of them, but some of the services in this main street is open in case if you wandered or if you wanted to visit Matala or Pitsidia at this time of the year. No, you're not going to be disappointed. You will find some services open. Yeah. Open every day from 4 to 10 except Monday. And right now there is a hanging board. It is saying it's open. So yeah, so this place is open, but there is not just enough people to make it look or sound like if it is like busy and it is there are people. Yeah, but the idea is everybody is expecting this year tourists to arrive earlier. I know somebody is thinking or having the question in mind, okay, after such a sunny weather, after such a warmth, what do you think about the sea? Can we swim at this time? Yeah, I swam 2 times during last week, and the seawater is still cold, but if you stay in the water for 10 minutes, then your body kind of adapt to it, and when you come out of the sea, if it's not windy, the sun makes you warm pretty easily and quickly. Alright, so now we are back where we started the video. It's kind of the very center of Pitsidia where the King's coffee shop is. This is where all the hangout and the community catch-ups happen, and over there we have a supermarket. They are pretty good in what they have. They offer lots of options, yeah. And this parking area belongs to the taverna, but at the moment, because it's not too busy, I parked here. Yeah, so this was it pretty much for Pitsidia. It's a nice place, and I hope I could refresh some memories and give you some idea what to do. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts, recommendations in the comment section. And if you are already having a good time, consider subscribing. And if you want to support the channel and support me, my PayPal account link, Patreon account link in the description. Other than that, until the next time, peace.